Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Boxycharm pop-up, so let's see what we've got. So in this completely unbranded box, I have a Boxycharm pop-up, and I think I did a really fun stuff this time. So let's start cutting into this and let me know. I think it was, you know what? I call them all pop-up, boxy pop-up. It might be add-ons. It's the sales that they let you do right before our boxes ship. So we were forced into picking things that there was a very good chance they would be in our box. But alas, I don't think I received any of these items in my box, and they were all the things that they had been spoiling and I hoped I would get. So I am so glad that I did not stop myself from purchasing what might have been duplicates. There's a little bit of paper around it. Let me pull it out, and that's what I've got, a sponge gel. Which you guys know was not my favorite thing, and now I put them in everything, and truth be told, I haven't even tried them again yet. So they'll be great Christmas presents if I try one and it's still not my favorite. So right away we will start with what I've already talked about. It is the sponge gel. Oh, that's why I got it. Cherry, Tonka, Musk. I like all of those words because cherry, I love cherry. Tonka, isn't that usually like vanilla, I think? And musk, I like musky things. And it was a pretty red one. I know. And I can't smell it. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's one of the ones that looks like a flower. Oh, and it doesn't have any of the strings. This isn't the one with, sometimes they have the, pardon that, sometimes they have the string in the box or on here. This one doesn't. Oh, but it smells really nice. Very grown up. Almost perfumey. You know, usually they're sweet or gourmand. This one almost has a very grown up perfumey smell. I like it. And it's kind of soft. Okay, I will be giving that a try. But this was even cheaper, I think, in this pop-up add-on than it is even on FabFitFun, so that's why I picked it up also. Next, and they haven't been having this as much in the FabFitFun edit sales, so I had to start getting my laundress somewhere else, but they had the wool cashmere shampoo. And I thought sweater season is here. I might like to try it, and I've never tried their wool cashmere. I have actually purchased it in the past, but my mother is a voracious knitter. So when I've purchased it in the past, it's always been for her, and I've never thought to stop and get it for myself. So I did this time, and I am taking the time as we speak right now to take the lid off because I don't think I've ever smelled it. Also, I just dove into this video without saying it's a Boxycharm pop-up / add-on, and if you are new to Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription that you can either have the base box of for $25 a month, the premium box for $35 a month, and if you get the base box every third month, you can turn it into a luxe box for $50 a month. Oh, I like that. It's a very different smell to the other laundress scents. It doesn't smell, it smells a little more detergent-y. Usually they smell fruity, floral, perfumey. I don't know how to describe them. This one smells just like a very nice detergent, but it will definitely get used. And these next couple of things, these were such good deals that I picked them up, whether it's for gifts or giveaways. I just thought they were such good deals, and this is the kind of thing that people always seem to like to get. So this is the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, and that's what that looks like. And again, I'm telling you here how much I paid for it, but it was such a good deal, and everybody always seems really excited when these are in giveaways. And I also picked up a Hank and Henry, I'm gonna unwrap it, Fuego palette, and that is what that looks like. I can't believe I only purchased one of these. It was such a good deal, again, but I think when I looked at it, I decided that the colors were not perfect for me. So out of its box, that is what it looks like. I'm gonna open this very gently so I can pass it along. Oh, this is probably why I didn't initially get it for me, but I'm not gonna take the plastic off. There is a mirror on top, but look how fruity and gorgeous. And like I said, it's the Hank and Henry Fuego palette. There are 5 mattes and 4 shimmers, and it has his little owl imprinted. Could you guys tell that? Let me see if I can bend it back just a skosh. It has his little owl imprinted into the mattes. It doesn't have it in the shimmers. I'm gonna go ahead and close that up and tuck it away. All right, next, and this is one of the things that I really wanted in my box, and so many people got, and I did not. And luckily, I ordered 2 for the pop-up. I think they were, and I'll put it here, I think they were only like $4. And it is the COSUS Sport Lip Fuel, and it's a hyaluronic lip balm. And that's what the bag looks like. And it's a really cool shape. I've seen so many people unbox them, but it's a really cool shape. See the shape of it? And when you take the top off, it's just, wonder how it works. Oh, the little black part on the bottom just twists. You can twist it up and that's the shape of the balm. I don't smell anything. I don't know if it has a scent or not. It does seem like it does. I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, that feels nice. I could only put it on my hand. It feels nice and cool, and see, it's got a little bit, I don't know if it's coming right through there. It's got a little shine to it. Oh, what is that scent? It does have a scent. It's kind of earthy. Let's see if I can work it out. It is castor seed oil, candelilla wax, sunflower, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, safflower oil, rosemary. Maybe that's it, because I was saying it had a green scent to it. I don't see anything else in here that would have a fragrance. So it's just the waxes. All right, well, I got 2 of those and I am so glad because uh-oh, it doesn't want to go down. Darn it. Yeah, I can push it down, but it did not twist back down on its own. It says Baseline Hyaluronic Lip Balm, 0.17 ounces, made in the USA. And that is what that looks like. So I just thought it was so cool. And I am so glad that I got it because I just knew I was going to get it in my box. And then I didn't. And I felt super smart for ordering it. Okay, next. And I never got these in a box either. I don't know if anybody did or if this is just something they put in their sale. But I picked up the Natasha Denona Transfix Matte Concealer and the Transformat Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. So I'm going to try this. This might have to be one of the things that waits until summer. Not the concealer. I can probably use the concealer anytime, but a matte foundation, I don't know if I can use that in the winter. I get so dry. So next, and this is always the funnest part of the game, let's see what color I ordered. Last time I ordered not the lightest, but the next one up, and it was still white. The color at the edge looks really good. See how it's just got a slight tinge to it? And it's called 2R, which is red because I tend to be pink. Ready? Oh, that looks good, right? That looks like it might work. And it says Natasha Denona on it. All right, let's see how I did. Oh, it's a very flat paddle. Nailed it. That is gonna be a perfect concealer color. Excellent. Oh, the formula on this feels really nice. I don't know if you can tell. I kind of tapped it out. It's not settling into my lines at all. The color is fantastic. Yay. Okay, next we have the foundation, and again, that's called Transformat. And I ordered this one in 3N neutral. So they must not have had a C for cool, at least by the time I got there, but 3. Like this was 2, right? Let's see how we did. Oh, it's a tube. I did not see that coming. Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation, 3N. And it is a pump. You know what? I have some dark spots. I self-tanned a bajillion years ago, and I don't have any dark spots on my hands from aging or anything yet, but the self-tanner, like stained deep, it's like a tattoo. I can't get it off. It's like pumping it, waiting. It's the surprise, I can't wait. Wow, it's a lot of pumping. Uh-oh. At what point does one panic? I think it might be right. That is... Oh, it's very... Can you guys see how light that is? Not light like in color, but I hope that the texture is coming across. It's really... See how... That's better. That is way better. See how like wet it is? I don't... Does it say that it is... I'm surprised that's matte. Does it say that it's light coverage? Let's see. Well, that doesn't say anything. Oh, shake well. Shake well before use. You guys know. Anyway. All right. Well, let's put that all over the back of my hand and see how it does. It has almost totally covered up those spots. So it has better coverage than I was giving it credit for. I'm going to do that in the hopes that you guys can see the coverage. I like that. I wonder how good it'll be once I've actually shaken it. No smell on the concealer either. So yay. So concealer and foundation and I got the colors right. Guys, I am so stinking excited. That is so awesome. So that's what I got from the Boxy pop-up. I am very pleased with what I got, and I'm so glad that I did not talk myself out of ordering things that might have been in my box, because alas, they were not. I don't know if one of these could have been in my box either. If you got one of these in October, was it October? Yeah, this is just not. If you got one of these in October, let me know, because I'm not sure if one of these could have been in the box, but it is the Natasha Denona Concealer in 2R, the Natasha Denona Transfer Matte Matte Foundation in 3N. I know, for some reason, I feel so proud about that 3. I'm usually a 0, a 1. Something about this made me buy that 3, and I'm glad that I did. I got 2 of the COSUS lip balms, the Wool and Cashmere shampoo from the Laundress, the Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser, the Hank and Henry Fuego eyeshadow, and a sponge gel. I'm very happy with my little haul. Let me know below, what did you guys get, and did you end up getting it in your box? Don't you think they should do add-ons a week or 2 later so that we know what came in our box? Shall we start a petition? Yeah, somebody out there start a petition. All right, guys, thanks again so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over and say hi. And I will talk to you really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care, guys.